Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to remove wishlist from Wish application. To remove your wishlist from Wish app, the first thing to do is to launch Open Wish app from your app drawer. Make sure that you're signed into your account as well. After you are logged into your Wish account, go ahead and tap on the wishlist button at the top of the screen. Once you get to the wishlist tab, go ahead and open up your wishlist. Once you do this, in order to delete an item from the wishlist, go ahead and press hold the item and you will be able to select the particular item. Now click on delete at the bottom left and tap on yes in order to remove the item from wishlist. You can repeat this step for any other item you'd like to remove from the list. Simply press hold the item and click on delete and click yes in the pop-up for confirmation. And that way you should be able to delete or remove your wishlist completely. So that is how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.